session, the mega debate of Target Coaching Center 2016. Shivam Kumar Singh, PO, Indian Overseas Bank. And again, I also pay my honor to the special guest of the occasion, Mr. Abdul Wajid, Manager, Allahabad Bank, Jadahar. We have special thanks for both the guests because they used to be with us as a student, as faculty, as organizer of such mega debate. And today we are proud of these two guys who are now brightening the name of the coaching center after becoming official. Thank you a lot again to you. I have also a special emotion for the director of Karam Sambhav International School, Mr. Rajiv Ranjan Singh ji, who always boosts up the morale, the learning style, and also to be a very good student through his beautiful speech and preachings. Rajiv ji, आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thereafter, I also cannot resist myself in taking the name of former director of the coaching center, who in my absence, when I became the professor of University SKMU, who sustained the coaching, who never let the coaching to go below, and who, through his hard work, every judiciousness, every effort, continued the rhythm of the coaching in the same manner I used to keep it before my installation as professor of university. Congress, many thanks to you for that contribution. The present director of the coaching center, Kajal, deputy director, Sanjeev, MD, Subhas, CMD, Umesh, debate in charge, Suraj, Rahul, who came after leaving every work here, and I think it is the jadoo of the mega debate that brought him here, and we are watching him today here. Pranav, who is also a bank clerk, now he also came here to participate and to enhance the beauty of the mega debate today. I also thank him, and I thank to all of you who came here to boost up the morale, the end-to-end spirit of all the participants. Many comments, many experiences have already been presented by different speakers. You got the demand of Congress. He is still so much attached with the coaching that he does not want to leave the coaching center, and he was demanding that if Lalit Bhaiya will tell, I can leave the job. Now I am putting this question before you, that what should be done? It is a very big question for any person or any personality to decide. Every time you would be listening that one can get anything, even God, but cannot get job. And he has found a job, he is working, and he wants to live. How can I allow this? So it is very impossible, not for me, but for you too, to tell him that no, you should leave your job and you should come here and you should continue the job of the Target Coaching Center. So I am dismissing his proposal before you that you should not do this. This is a very risky job, and what will be the career in coming days, nobody can predict this. But the second demand which he had demanded from us, that coaching should be open 2 days, on Saturday and Sunday. Now you are sitting here, all of you are the students, faculty, senior most students. Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Will the student attend the classes
Yes, of course.
of Saturday and Sunday?
Yes, sir.
But my experience does not think so. I have asked that whenever I continued our classes on Sunday and Saturday, the number of the students become very low and only 50% of the students attended the class. And if he comes from Uttar Pradesh to conduct classes here, and if you are absent, he does not get the student in his class, then how will he think you should think this? So it will be sheer promise. Some students start telling, no, I should go to house, people of family are calling me, I have this kind of work, for particular work I have to go there. And so they do not want to attend classes. And if you are ready to attend, then I, in consultation with Kajal and Suhas, can take decision that coaching will remain open even on Saturday and Sunday. But declaration will be made after consultation. So you should wait for a day or two. Today, instantly it cannot be declared. It will be a job, and it may be boring for you if you do not get the students in coaching center, if you come from there and if you conduct classes here. So it will take approximately 4 or 5 days. We from tomorrow shall start asking students of the coaching that are you ready to attend classes on Saturday and Sunday. If they tell that no, we are ready, if Amresh sir will take class, then we can take this decision to continue classes on Sunday and Saturday. Otherwise, it will be, I think, what you say, boring one. It may be that the attachment which you have with the students of target coaching center, because you are attending classes, you are getting students before you, it may come down if you cannot get bulk of the students before you sitting there. So I am pending this demand. The first demand was already dismissed. That no, you should not leave your job. You should continue there. Whenever we need you, we shall call you, and for that we are telling you that you should come that time when we call you. But the second thing, that you are telling that you have fascination of conducting class, teaching students. Really, you are a teacher, I know. No one can know you better than I can. Because I have seen your guts of conducting classes. From very morning to evening, without taking even a grain of, even I think a single grain in your stomach, you have continued, you have taken and conducted classes. How can I forget this? And this is the reason that coaching center when was in doldrum, when I was engaged in university work, I was in probation period, I had to go to attend classes of colleges. That time college coaching was vacant. I was also a bit suspicious that what will happen with the coaching, what will be the future of the coaching center. And as you did your job, as you run the coaching center that time, as you gave your 10% effort for the promotion and development of the target coaching center that time, really it is unforgettable. And I think that it was you who did this. If anyone in your place would have been there, perhaps it would have been a very tough job to sustain the coaching in that time of crisis. Thank you. Thank you again. Now I would like to tell about Shivam. Shivam now very rare. Shivam has become rare. Now he is going to discharge his duty in bank. He will be efficient there, very honest, no doubt at all. Even no inquiry or investigation can find him absent there. But it has become a matter of loss for us, for the coaching center, that we have lost. We have lost a very, what you say, mastermind, well-wishers, and you may tell that a mentor of coaching center whose advice, occasional advice and suggestion contributed a lot in the enhancement of the coaching center. Shivam will stay here, I think, till 3 years. His suggestions we shall be getting, no doubt at all. But after 3 years, I think he will go from our side. Coaching will only get his suggestion from abroad that no sir, do this, sir, this will be better. But his physical appearance in the occasion, on the occasion of the coaching center, in the classes of the coaching center, in the monitoring of the coaching center, has been very relevant, has been unforgettable. Wajid too was very sincere student when he was a student of the coaching center. He was all the time very anxious regarding his career building. Sir, what will happen? His English was, I think, after 1 year of attendance of coaching classes, became very brilliant as he was speaking, how effortlessly, how fluent he was, what kind of use of words he has presented with his speech. And so I am telling you, he is also very innocent, very simple, very hard-working, and from time to time, even if he does not remember me, his remembrance automatically comes to me in my mind that where is Wajid, and I start asking his fellows that where is Wajid, what is he doing, and see that opportunity, you may tell, a chance for the coaching center, that he is now posted in Jardaha, 50 kilometers away from Devel, and Shivam is here. I decided that no, we have two games in our basket, coaching center, and if they become our guests, and if we can honor them, it will be a great salutation for the coaching center to his former students. And so I did this. You are getting these two guys as the chief guest and the special guest here. The contribution of some of the students have been also very significant in the development, in the monitoring of the coaching center. You are getting Ranveer sitting here. He is also a bank PO at Giridih, perhaps in Bank of India. And he has been taking classes here in my coaching center for 2 years. Without any fail, regularly he has been taking classes here. What can we give him? And what kind of bond and attachment we are getting, the coaching is getting from a PO, I think it is an example that being an officer of a bank, he is also so much attached with the coaching center that without conducting classes, he cannot discharge his other duty, his duty of banks. Rahul has come here. Now Pranav is also a bank employee, realizing the value and significance of the debate. Once they used to sit here as participant, as a student, and now they would be feeling proud of that they have gone to serve other destinations. They are doing job in, I think, other towns and cities of our country, and now they are watching everything, being, I think, employee of this country, and they had the speaker of target coaching center. They came here to beautify the occasion. For that, from coaching side, I also give them a lot of thanks from coaching and from my personality too. Thank you. See, we have already made, I think, a big late, and the students would be getting boredom. Perhaps what will have their mentality, God knows, but I think we should stop talking now with a suggestion that if you are a student of spoken English, you should try to continue yourself in class you should attend classes. You one day will be here on the dais. You are watching students are sitting here. Spoken English has become a part of modern education. And without speaking, without fluent in speaking, so far as speaking of English is concerned, perhaps you will miss your career. The career which you want to get without a very fine speaking of English, it will be very tough for you to get that. But the manner you show in attending the classes is not very admiring, is not commendable. Some days you come, some days you do not come. If any examination you get, that examination is approaching, you leave the coaching. Whether it this kind of coaching where you get the speaking skill, or in your, I think, vocational education like Target Coaching Center, Flamingo, or everywhere, you leave everything. You start doing the preparation of the STEM conventional type of things, which need only 50 or 20 days in my opinion. अगर आप परीक्षाओं की बात कीजिए, यूनिवर्सिटी परीक्षाओं की बात, तो 15 दिन पढ़ करके आप जाकर के परीक्षा दे सकते हैं। और उसके लिए 2-2 महीना 3-3 महीना क्लास छोड़ देते हैं आपकी स्पोकन का। उसके लिए 2-2 3-3 महीना तक जहाँ आपका करियर बनने वाला कोचिंग, बनाने वाला कोचिंग है, उसका क्लास छोड़ देते हैं। When I feel this kind of attitude of yours, I feel to some extent suspicious regarding your career, coming career, and how will plug your career. So in no way you should try to leave your coaching classes where you get really facts, ideas, concepts, and also studies of your career building. So now I am leaving the dais with the request to the Chief Justice, come on the front and conduct class. Shivam. Captain of the boat, this is.
Captain of the teams.